Greetings to the parents from Walnut School. My name is Gauri Naik. I teach science subject to the primary section. Let me first assure that our student will enjoy learning this year too. I take this opportunity to welcome you all for the orientation program for first standard science. We will know more of the science subject and topics that will be covered in this academic year. So, you would have a question. Why do we teach science to students at this young age? As you would see, the CBSE curriculum science starts from standard 6. But at Walnut, we start to teach from first standard itself. That is the Walnut advantage. And you would see further what other advantages are there when we start early. By starting early, we make it easy and keep things simple. This gives us an advantage to help students to connect with the things around and learn. So another question comes, how are these toddlers going to learn? They do not even sit in one place. Well, as mentioned in the slide, it is a presentation-led teaching. Means teaching with the help of PowerPoint presentation. All concepts explained with attractive diagrams and pictures. 1 or 2 concepts are taught in every period. Discussion on question is encouraged in class. At the end of every topic, revision are done through worksheets. This helps to gain confidence in the child and makes the student to like the subject and gain knowledge. So you would be wondering what topics will be covered for these young minds. As you see, we have the list of topics from Unit 1 to Unit 4. Unit 1. These young minds will know the parts of plants and what plants need to grow. In Unit 2, they will be exposed to the concept of cleanliness, being alive, and animals as friends. In Unit 3, they will come to know and understand the animals and the insects around us. Food, we all take meals. Student will be given more information on the food we have. And in Unit 4, they will get information on new topics like rain, thunder and lightning. In shadows, they learn what can a shadow do when light is put on an object in different ways. All this comes with an extra effort that the teachers have put to provide conceptual information so that concepts are revised and memorized. This extra sheet helps the child to get additional or extra knowledge. Build interest. Not part of exam but allow the children to think outside the box. So, till now, everything was verbal and visual. But all at the same time, the students will be required to write. Now, these soft hands and fingers will need a lot of exercise when it comes to writing. But parents need not worry. The focus is more towards making the child understand the concept and being able to read the question in English and respond. The writing is kept limited to putting the answer tick or cross or fill in the blanks format. This does not put extra pressure on the child at the start of the academic section. Around middle of the academic year, full sentences are phased. By this time, the child is ready to write sentences. Answers to subjective questions are already given in the sheet. The child needs to identify correctly. Also, when you write an answer neatly, it helps you to learn and memorize the concept and practice English. Homework. A lot of revision take place and reading happen in the classroom. Students are expected to study regularly at home and finish their worksheet on time, and rereading, tests and notes are done. So, how does your child study in the school or online? They have to read material on the worksheets. Keep practicing the worksheet questions. We introduce the term MCQ, means multiple choice questions, to keep the interest and fundamental revised. How are the exams conducted? 2 unit tests in each term. 2 such terms in the year. Only respective exams will be conducted on exam days marked in the calendar. Orals and dictation will together comprise on 10 marks for formative assignments. Examinations. Unit test paper will be for 15 marks and will go on for half hour. This will have subjective questions only. Overall, in a unit distribution is 15 marks plus 10 marks, so total 25 marks. In this way, there are 25 marks for every unit. Please note here, there will be no term exam. Those start only after the 6th standard. Now, I will explain you about portion for the exams. Each unit test will have the portion covered in that unit only. Exams will be based on all the concepts that they have learned in the unit. For exam practice, 1 week before the exam, student will have practice tests in the school. These tests are on the whole portion of that covering complete unit and have all questions types. Students get well prepared for the actual exam, are not stressed for it at all. As we are always here to support students, home supports also plays important role. Encourage children to attend the school or online classes regularly. Practice writing and encourage good handwriting. Motivate students for loud reading of the worksheet. This will improve their pronunciation of words and English language. Walnut advantage. You would see that the teaching aid and worksheet are prepared in a such manner that learning science become interesting. As we start early, the fundamentals are clear and understood by the time they reach standard 6. With the sheet, the student get to read more in English and understand more words. They get to speak more English when they participate in discussion in the class. So, along with concept understanding, they improve their language as well. By the time they reach standard 6, a lot of topics and their understanding is covered. This helps the student to stay ahead and gain more confidence. So, when they meet their peer group from other schools, the Walnut students are already tough outside and smart inside. So, we make the coming year a wonderful experience for students with Walnut team. Thank you parents for your attention to listening to this presentation. All the best to the students. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.
If you like our videos, do share them and subscribe to our channel. If you want awesome quizzes, write to us. Keep watching and keep learning with Walnut.